Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number X345XX. 47,000 miles, and this Equinox comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Summit White in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. You can also fold the rear seats with the pull of a handle. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Easy to use heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.